How to fix Pinterest sound problem. Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial where I'm going to show you 4 different methods that you can try to fix Pinterest sound problem in your device. So first of all, you will have to open your Play Store or your App Store, and in the search bar you simply have to search for Pinterest and check whether you are getting any update relating to your Pinterest app or not. Now as you can see over here that I'm currently getting an update. So if you are getting the same, then you simply have to tap on this update button and you will have to simply update your app and then check whether this problem is fixed or not. If this problem is still not fixed, then the second method you can try is you need to go to your settings, and in the settings you just have to scroll down and tap on apps. Now in the apps you will have to tap on manage apps, and after that you will have to search for Pinterest. Now once you are in the app info of Pinterest, you are going to see this app permissions option over here. You simply have to tap on app permissions, and in this section you are going to see this microphone option. You simply have to tap on microphone, and over here you simply have to tap on allow only while using the app. Now once you do this, you will have to go to your Pinterest app again and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If this problem is still there, then the third method you can try is you need to come back, and in the bottom you are going to see this clear data option. You simply have to tap on clear data, and after that you will have to tap on clear cache and then press OK. Now after clearing the cache of your Pinterest app, you again have to go to your Pinterest app and check whether this problem is fixed or not. Now if the problem is still not fixed, then the last method you can try is you can uninstall your Pinterest app and you will have to reinstall it, and after re-login into your Pinterest account, your problem will definitely be fixed. So these were some of the methods that you can try to fix the Pinterest sound problem. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then please consider liking this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.